I'm Theo Fischer, and I'm a board member of the South African Energy Storage Association, and we are here to sign a memorandum of understanding with our counterparts in Germany. And with that, I'll hand over to my colleague Urban. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, so thank you very much. My name is Urban Windelen. I'm Executive Director of the Energy Storage Systems Association based in Berlin, Germany, and we started 12 years ago with this association, seeing that in our future energy system, flexibility will be getting more and more important, and energy storage is a perfect tool for flexibility. So you have to integrate flexibility, energy storage systems into the energy system to keep the system stable, especially when the basis of the energy system is more and more renewable energies.
What is this agreement about?
So, yeah, we have a memorandum of understanding, as I've indicated, which in essence sets out the purpose of a cooperation agreement which will aim to promote the advancement of energy storage technologies between South Africa and Germany and the rest of Africa, to facilitate the exchange of information and good practice in project and in policy and regulation, and then most importantly probably to develop joint projects which will range from storage at residential and municipal level through commercial and industrial storage applications, storage in the transmission system, and in power pool systems. So we're looking forward to work with the German Storage Association and to further foster ties towards enabling a clean energy transition, with a key component being energy storage.
Why is your association interested in South Africa?
So I'm very happy to be here today at the Enlit and to see all the crowded halls here with the topic energy transition, energy storage, a clever, intelligent system management in the future. And of course I'm very happy about the cooperation which we have entered today with SAESA, the South African Energy, still a young association. We are a little bit older now, so in Germany we haven't reached another level of energy transition. South Africa maybe is a little more the early stage of the energy transition, and I think there's a lot of potential in the collaboration between South Africa and Germany, and the survey in our members identified South Africa as a very important and very interesting market for energy storage technologies. So let's cooperate, let's find a good way for both countries in projects, in technological approach, and of course you said it, Theo, with a political and regulation approach, because you have to adopt the regulation if you want to change the energy system. And it's not only a technological stage, but it's also a regulation stage, and that's very important to learn from each other in that direction to build a successful energy transition.
What is the next step?
The next step would be to ensure that we have regular engagement, that we continue to explore projects that will realize most synergy, and this will range from battery energy storage to hydrogen. We know that Germany and the European Union are proponents of hydrogen economies, and South Africa is ideally placed with very significant renewable renewable energy resources to provide energy that can be stored then not only in batteries but also in hydrogen, and there's further cooperation potential for longer duration storage. We're all used to the fact that we need to have storage for a few hours to endure load shedding or some other incidents, but in the future grid where we will have a lot more renewable energy, there will be certain days where there are energy shortfalls requiring longer duration energy storage projects and technologies, including pumped hydro and compressed air and other opportunities. So there's a brave new world of energy storage that is upon us.
Yep. The next step, hopefully the next visit in Kapstadt with better weather. But that's not the kind of Kapstadt I expected.
I was just going to ask, I think some of your members probably want to come to Cape Town. That's also part of the incentive to be
definitely.
part of this.
But
Definitely.
rain the whole day. But, okay, so it's a good day for energy storage. It's not a good day for the renewables, but it's a good day for energy storage.
And it's on rainy days like this that we will need energy storage.
Yeah.